Hooker Edwin Swart is one. The other joined this week, and it's Jared Taylor straight back into the back row with Davies and Fafita. 4 half-backs are with Wales, so it's Hughes and Jones, 9 and 10. Very exciting centre combination, James and Roberts. Johnny McNichol, as always, a reliable 15.
Ready, lads?
Jackets, not gloves. Not a breeze in the sky. Round 10 of the URC, off and underway in Llanelli. And it's a short one by Munster. And the Scarlets ship it. He's keen, he's enthusiastic.
On the line, Red.
An interesting call here by Munster.
Yeah, by going for the quick tap, it's taking forces out of it, so you control your own destiny.
Little short drive, over the line,
Coombs,
try. And once again, it's Gavin Coombs.
Ridiculous, they've taken the quick tap penalty, which is a good call. Look at the deep cleans on this, it's just a lovely little lift from Kendall into Coombs.
Staying on.
Fafita flew at the blocks there to put pressure on Munster. We know what's coming. Gavin Coombs. Deja vu. Who's playing student rugby last season. Here he is, first possession. Lovely pass, Eddie James to Joe Roberts, who backs himself. Roberts, can he get it away? Back on his feet. Wonderful finish. And from nothing, the Scarlets are back into this game. Titcombe's first touch. James with a timed pass. But Joe Roberts still had a lot of work to do. And look what it means to him.
Thinks he's going to carry, he shows the ball. It's a nice early little transfer. Shows the ball initially and drops his height.
22.
And then Joe Roberts, if there's one thing he is, he's athletic, he's powerful. And he's quick, he manages just to get over the gain line. But we talked about Scarlets staying in the game. They've got to nearly 50 minutes and they've got to try back. And they're back within 7 points of this Munster team. But it's just what they needed at the start of the second half.
I'll give you that. I didn't think you did last time. Crouch! Bind!
If this scrum holds up, Evan Jones has got it. Try and kill this ball at source. At scrum time, he's going straight back in the boot that was going to allow Coombs and Murray time to play.
They go
Penalty advantage
for the scrum, penalty advantage, free play. Murray walking. The scrum was dominant, the platform was set, and Conor Murray breezed through the Scarlets defence. Teddy Leatherbarrow complains to the referee. It's the right call to go to
blindside flankers being held in at the scrum, preventing him from making a possible tackle on Munster 9.
Okay,
to be fair to Conor Murray, would he have got there? We don't know.
So that's the exact point I was just about to make. Jack O'Sullivan did need to do it. The scrum was going forward. Evan Jones is never going to get to Murray.
It can't be a try. Never allow this.
So 20 black clearly holds in the red player, prevents him making a tackle. Prevents a try. Yeah, that's fine. So no try, and we'll play the penalty for the tight head standing up.
Yeah. So they'll go back for the penalty anyway. No try.
No try. He's pulled them in.
Still be.
Restart with the penalty.
Munster ball.
Restart with the penalty here. Number 3 standing up.
What do you do, Thomas? Back to scrum. Or
no
tap
try.
5?
Penalty. No penalty for standing up.
They look more dangerous, I think, when they tap and go.
Here's Coombs. Little drop pass to him. Peels.
No hands out.
This time he's repelled. But look how close Munster are. It's not flashy, but it is effective.
Short.
But it is short this time. That's how close Munster are to a third. Pick, go, drive. Try number 3. It's the power game. And it's O'Sullivan for...
Well released.
Carberry, Frisch, Haley, it's on now for Munster. Off the right wing is O'Brien, support to the right, support to the left, and it's Thomas Ahern. The big lock striding over Munster's 4th, bonus point, and surely a victory in Llanelli.
You can watch it here. Munster set themselves really well. They just stop, they're on their haunches, they can't move. Munster keep the width really well. And then it's a nice little inside ball.
Do not underestimate the work of Mike Haley here. He doesn't actually touch the ball in a play, but he's just tucked down there. There he is, just tucked down behind Fritsch. And it means Eddie James has to have a number to defend. So it tightens them straight up and it allows Munster 2 extra players on the edge. But if there's a forward in the tight...
Evan Jones with a tackle. Gavin Coombs. Leather Barrow. Thrown out judo style from the ruck. We've been here before, haven't we? Munster, continuous pressure.
Keep your eye on the depth of cleans here as well. They're just trying to put people on the floor.
Kendall been very good tonight as well. Carberry, Haley, out to O'Brien, steps back inside. 4 becomes 5. Could start getting messy now.
They've prepped in the weakest. That's just the depth of the cleans and putting numbers on the floor. It means you're shortening your defensive line every contact. And just look at the forwards. Look how square they get as they're coming round the corner. They get nice and square. And when they've shortened, when the belt has been shortened effectively on the inside, they'll play to length, and it just becomes all too easy for Sean O'Brien to come off his right leg and just step inside McNichol on that right edge.
He's been good tonight as well. Like, really strong carrier. Looks good when he's cutting back inside, nice and strong. A good finish.
Shane McCarthy is on. Carberry, loving life. Fintanetti gets it away to Daly. Here is Shane McCarthy. Strides over. 6 for Munster. And they've got to 40.
All their fatigue from their legs. They're treading on sand at the moment. Munster just playing with front foot ball all the time. They go down the short side. Nice little break from Carberry. Really good support line on the inside. No Scarlets player able to get anywhere near the support runner for Munster.
We talked around mismatches, and the likes of Carberry can pick off is exactly what happened. They shot back down the short side up against.
That's it. Another heavy defeat for the Scarlets. Munster take the win. And this long, hard season continues to offer very little for Dwayne Peel's players.